Hello, clones! So this week I tried to do a locomotive challenge. I have to say that I failed a little bit because I'm super not athletic and I even can't do the cartwheel. Okay, so it will look a little bit horrible, a little bit ridiculous, and a little bit clumsy, and everything that you don't want to see, I guess. But I still want to show it because this is a challenge, and so I want to at least try to do it. So have fun watching it. I hope at least you will laugh at it. So see you next time. Don't tell I didn't warn you.